Hey guys, welcome to another video. I bought these grass seeds right here. It's for sun and shade because in my lawn I have some patches. So I'm gonna use a rake up a little bit, kind of wake up the dirt. Then I'm gonna sprinkle the grass seeds on top of it like this. Just rake it up a little bit. Plus the ground is moist right now, so that's what I'm gonna do. All these little patches, I'm gonna see if the grass seed will work. So I'll catch you guys in a few minutes and show you the result. Stay tuned. Okay, I used the rake and rake up all these bald spots or patches. Now I'm gonna go in and sprinkle the grass seeds, so stay tuned. Okay, I've got grass seeds and 90% of all the patches. It's a good time because the ground is moist from all that rain. So I'll give you guys an update on what's going on. All these right here is patches that I had grass seeds put down in. I had to rake it out, dig up the dirt so the grass seeds could get in it. So I'll give you guys an update on what's going on and how grass seeds did, if it take or if it didn't take. So thank you for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. All right.